From the educators of the hit DVD film Quantum Communication comes an online course with David, Crystal, and Lynn Sarita, Quantum Regenesis. Write David Sarita at Outlook.com for an e-brochure today. What happened to the Garden of Eden? What happened to our DNA? Chemtrails, man-made virus spraying, electromagnetic field pollution, disharmonic field pollution, brainwave manipulation, mind control, GMO foods, organic food wars, microwave towers, weather control, HARP. How do we get back to the garden? How do we get back to the love and the light? Masters of all ancient religions knew about the breath, sound, and the light as the way to gain true enlightenment. These include Hindus, Sikhs, Christians, Buddhists, and more. When Jesus prayed the Lord's Prayer in his own language of Aramaic, he addressed the breath, harmonics, and the light as God. He gave us a clue of a sacred tonal scale in a secret gospel. This scale is so ancient, so pure, and has been lost for over 2,000 years. It has been found for you to use today. Ancient masters left us clues of a lost chord, a lost sound, a lost harmonic scale. A scale that can activate your DNA, turn on your light body, allow you to see and follow pure visions, fulfill your dreams, enlighten your body, mind, spirit, and set you free. Attain spiritual awareness through sound, heart, and vibration. David Sarita received a message from the Archangel Michael at Christmas 2013, hearing that for the next 6 years, human DNA can receive a special upgrade. The human DNA has an upgrade encoded in breath, sound, and light awareness of what is true and sound within our hearts. This will allow us to begin the process of moving away from corruption and into the light. It will upgrade to a regenesis within this form and this form only. This regenesis will happen when you attune yourself and others through this high frequency vibration inherent in all of us. This online course lasts 6 months per year for the next 6 years that can teach you how to activate the true light body of bliss within you. Learn from experienced teachers with over 35 years of meditation, tonal, light, breath, and harmonic field experience. Learn how to get the course free. Quantum Regenesis.